When it comes to industrial cleaning, our people have the training, experience, and expertise to handle your needs. Safety comes first at Environmental Remedies, which is why we make sure that all of our people are trained in confined space entry, lockout-tagout, the safe operation of various lifts and specialized industrial cleaning equipment, and that they all receive 40-hour OSHA training. Plus, we maintain top-of-the-line commercial equipment to provide you with prompt, reliable service. We will provide the cleaning services you require in a timely, cost-effective manner. The industries we serve include manufacturers, municipalities, utilities, automotive services and suppliers, chemical and pharmaceutical formulators, food processors, and recyclers. We offer such services as tank and sump cleaning, vacuum truck work, industrial air mover work, dry and wet, hydroblasting and line jetting, ice blasting and jetting, AST and UST cleaning, confined spaced entry work, and oil water separator cleaning, to name just a few. No matter the size of your cleaning job, or whether you need a one-time industrial cleanup or regularly scheduled service, contact us to discuss your options. We'll get your tough cleaning jobs done efficiently and at highly competitive prices. At Environmental Remedies, all solutions lead to clean.